I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry.
Was that your spit?
I sneezed by accident.
Oh my god! Take your spit off me right now, please.
I'm sorry.
Okay, you're sorry, but can you take it off?
I'm not
Can you
touching
take it
that.
off?
I'm sorry.
Can you take it off?
Sorry, I'm not
Please.
touching that.
What do you mean?
I'm sorry, love. I'm not touching it.
Do you want me
That's
to-
your problem
I
now. It was
will.
by accident.
I will get that snot from my throat. That
Go on then.
and spit on you.
Go
Just
on.
take this spit off me right now, please. I'm asking you kindly. I understand it was an accident, sweetheart, but can you please wipe
you
the
getting
spit out
irritated?
of my face?
Because you look like you're getting
I have
irritated.
spit on my face.
And I'm not doing anything if you're getting
Tears are
irritated
about to
with
come
me.
out my eyes. This
I'm
is
not-
disgusting.
If you're irritated...
Take it off!